Hey Dons, welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing this for the first time, I'm Don Corleone and I do a little bit of everything on this channel. Before we head in, go ahead and click that subscribe button to come join the Don gang because it's lit over here, baby. In today's video, we'll be doing a what's on my iPhone video, and this is my iPhone 12 Pro. I got this recently. This is my phone case. I got it from Casetify. I think it's really cool. Let me start screen recording so we get right into it. So we are screen recording now, and from the leftmost part of my phone we have this widget here that has my photos. I hope this pictures come on before this video because you guys are already peeping here. My screen time app, my tips app, my calendar, my friend's birthday is coming up soon, my weather app, my documents, and we are right back to where we started. Then I have a widget for my dictionary app. The word of the day is predilection. Wait, hold on.
Predilection.
So predilection means a natural liking for something or a tendency to do or to be attracted to something. Okay, so yeah, I learned my word for the day from there, and then I have this widget that shows the percentage of my phone, the battery percentage, or my AirPods, and then my location, and this Chrome Dino widget as well. Moving on, this is the first page of my phone. We have this widget from my motivation app. This app is what I use for motivational quotes, affirmations, and stuff like that. The quotes here is just when you open your eyes first thing in the morning, take a deep breath and say, "Today I'm going to be better. Trust me, it will do wonders to you. Good morning." So yeah, it gives me like quotes and affirmations like that. And my wallpaper here is my vision board for this year. I really do hope that I get to achieve everything on this vision board. And down below you see my call app, my iMessage, and my FaceTime. Then on the second page I have my widget for reminders, and then I have these other apps here. This is just how I arrange my phone. There's no serious aesthetic thing going on here. So then first we have my photos, and then we have my Bible, and then this is like for my VPNs, and then we have my socials. I recently just joined TikTok, so yeah, this is my profile, so follow your girl. And then I have my Instagram. This is my Instagram, and then I have my WhatsApp, I have my WeChat and Snapchat, and my Twitter as well. So yeah, what else do I have in here? And I have this banking app as well, and then I have this folder for my YouTube stuff, anything related to my YouTube basically. And if you are not subscribed, this is your sign to subscribe. Please subscribe and check out my channel. I have a variety of content for you guys to check out, so yeah. And then I have my productivity folder. You can see my documents, my email apps, and yeah, my dictionary, cam scanner. And in my books app, this is what I use for my morning devotionals. And then there's this other book I just got recently, Perfect Victim. I'll get started on it soon. I think it's written by Christine McGuire and Carla Norton. It's like a true crime story thing my friend put me on. And then I have my music folder. This has my SoundCloud, voice recorder, and Spotify. You can also follow me on Spotify to check out my playlists. If you like my music taste, you can hang around. And then I have my healthcare folder. This is basically for my Flow app and my health app as well. And then on the third page of my phone I have my notes app, and then I have my Pinterest. You can check out my Pinterest as well. So yeah, this is my account on Pinterest, my save stuff, and then I have my Netflix. What are you guys watching currently? On Netflix? Let me know, comment down below. And my settings, I have my widget Smith. This is what you use to create widgets on your phone. And then I have my shopping folder. This is basically where I put any app I shop on. You have Taobao, Pinduoduo. These are like very good, reliable shopping apps, and you can also shop from the websites as well. This is what most of us use in China. And then I have my travel folder. You can see all these apps in here have to do with like going somewhere, booking something. My trip app and my Dianping, I use them to find places. I could also like secure bookings at restaurants on this Dianping app, and my trip app, I can use it to like book flights, trains, whatever. I have this app here. I don't really know what it's called, but this app, I use it whenever I have to move. You can book this big moving truck. So I have this app with the piggy icon. You can book rides on this app at a very, very, very affordable price. There is Didi. That's the Chinese equivalent of Uber. This one is cheaper, it's more affordable, and it's basically almost the same thing. And then we're going to go into my editing folder. You can see my editing apps: Facetune, Fonto, Face App, Lightroom. Superimpose X is something I recently just got into, and it's so nice for cutting out my pictures accurately, but it's a paid app. So yeah, I'm still working around it and learning how to use it. And Lens Body, my friend put me on this recently. You can use this to take pictures by yourself. You can set the timer. You can set how many pictures you want to take at once. And okay, let's say you want to take 10 pictures. Continue. How long should the delay between each photo be? So you can choose like maybe 2 seconds, 5 seconds. I'll go with 2 seconds. And you can take your pictures. You just wait for it. It's going to take your pictures. Lightroom comes in very, very handy if you want to create presets, or there are presets available on there if you don't have the time. And then there's my Canva. My Me Too is what I use to edit my pictures. If you have not seen my how I take and edit my Instagram pictures, you can check that out. I gave like a mini tutorial on there on how I edit my pictures, but I don't think I use Me Too. Anyways, Me Too is a photo editing app. You can even make collages on here as well. And the image editing is very, very nice. It's very smooth. And what else? My eraser app and my CapCut, which is what I use to edit my videos on my phone, because I film and edit on my phone as well. The apps you see here is basically like what I use on a day-to-day basis. I just arrange it this way. And yeah, the rest of the apps I use are in here somewhere, but I don't use them often. So yeah, I guess that's about it, guys. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. If you like the aesthetics of my iPhone, you like my wallpaper, or there is just something you like about my iPhone, comment it down below. And do not forget to subscribe. Please like my videos, because it really helps YouTube to push my content to other viewers as well. And yeah, guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye.